Question 3, so this is the function h at over x, and this is the composite function hgx equal to 4x. So the first question A asking you to find the function of g. So if you look at the function g in our composite function, this is the inner one. So we can solve it directly without the inverse function. So for questions A, the composite function of hg is equal to 4x. So this 4x is formed when you insert the function g into the function h. So we didn't know what is the function g, but we know that we're going to insert this function g into the x in our function h. So what's going to happen next is add over gx. So the x here is replaced with the g, so equal to 4x. So to solve it, I'm going to move this gx to the other side, so add equal to 4x times gx. Okay, to find the gx, I'm going to move this 4x to the other side, so finally gx will become add divided by 4x. So the add and the 4, we can simplify it. So finally, we're going to have the gx equal to 2 over x. So this is the answer for the gx. Next, we're going to move to the b. So the question asking you to find the value of x when the composite function gh is equal to 6. So before we solve it, let us find first what is the composite function of gh. So composite function gh is formed when you insert the function h into the function g. Now the function h is the one given in the questions, which is the add over the x. So this is the one that we're going to insert into our function g that we find in A. So we're going to insert it at the x of our function g. So it will be 2 over add over x. So this is a fraction, so this also means 2 divided by add over x. So I can multiply it, so this one will be flipped over. So the 2 and the add, I can simplify it. So finally, I will have x over 4. That is the composite functions for the gh. Now then we can solve for this part. So it's stated that the composite function of gh is equal to 6. So we want to find what is the x. You insert it into the composite function will equal to 6. So this part here, we want to replace it with the x over 4 that we find. So this is the same as the gh. So x over 4 equal to 6. So to find the 4, we're going to move this 4 to the other side. So it will become 6 times 4. So x is 24. So if you insert 24 into the composite function here, then you're going to get the answer of 6.